In a fun junk journal dream, DJ's crafting grungy scenes. Hither and Yon, where friends all meet. Paper glue and vintage treats.
Hello, my crafty friends, and happy October! It is a chilly October day here, and the first of the month means a brand new kit, which we almost didn't have, guys. It was very close this month. We almost didn't have a kit this month, but we do! And it's called Journey to Light. It's a fairy-themed junk journal, mini junk journal kit. If you're new here, this junk journal kit will be about a half size of a regular kit, sort of like this one that we did earlier in the year or last year. I don't remember. Anyway, yeah, so it's called Journey to Light, and there'll be a storyline with this month's kit, but I'm going to show you what's inside, and then you can click below in the description box and get your free kit for the month. All throughout the month of October, it is free. So check out the details in the description box and also in the pinned comment. All right, guys, so we have some half-fold pages like normal. These are a variety of blank, and I didn't print on the second side of these. I am going to print. Oh, wait, I did do that. Okay, it's been a day. There's cottages, and you'll notice that these cottages change and kind of grow and become more majestic as we go through, ending in this final one. And I'll give you all the details on how this goes together. There are some neutral pages you can print on the other side, and I recommend that when you're printing, you print your images on one side and a blank on the other, and when I go through the storyline, that'll make sense. But these are going to be our journeying pages in between. So again, you'll have a picture on one side. Make sure you print or leave white the other side, or use the neutral pages. So we have this rainbow forest, this sunlit orb of light, a bridge, and a pathway. This will all make sense. But if you're not going to follow the storyline, you can use these any way you want. So that's those pages. Then you have some ephemera, so pockets, tags, flags. I did some with and without gussets, tags, tag toppers, journaling cards. Look at those. Look at her face. Oh my, I love this month. More journaling cards, a little envelope with a tag, some smaller tags, another pocket, tickets. Then we have some circle pockets this month with some of the imagery from the kit. Some wonderful words we're going to use, and this can be a cover if you'd like it to. And then we have all the cut aparts, fussy cuts, cussy cuts, depending on who you are. So we have all of the imagery of this journey to light. We have some doves, some lotus flowers, lanterns, pathway, stepping stones, lots of fun bits. There are a lot of fussy cuts this month because I think of it like color forms. I'm dating myself. If you remember the color forms from the 70s and 80s, some of you younger generations may not know what I'm talking about, but you would have these pieces you would put on these backgrounds. And so that's the thought here, and most of the time with my kits. So we have these fussy cuts and then these fairies. Look at them all. They're just so gorgeous. And then finally for you, I have some extra background pages that you can use to make more tags or a cover, or pockets, whatever you like, honestly. They're just some extra pages that go with the theme of the kit, so you can use them to build it out a little more. All right, and that is the kit this month. Like I said, everything down in the description box below. Let me know what you think. Leave me a comment and tell me what you think of this month's kit. And give me a thumbs up. That's always helpful. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Every Thursday will be the makes this month, so don't forget to set a reminder, and I'll see you soon.